So I am very sad right now. I just got done filming a video, and I was bringing my airsoft container BBs back in that I had, right? And I slipped onto ice right here. I didn't even know it was there at all, and I spilt all of them. I've already picked up a majority of them, but these are the ones that are going to be the hardest to try and pick up because they're so annoying to try and pick up. So yeah, I'm really just sad, you know. All right. Please subscribe, and if I get to I don't know 110 subscribers in the next tomorrow, I will pick all of these up individually and then show it to you all.